Hello students, now it is the time to continue with our new lesson based on volume and nets. Under it we will learn about volume of some solid objects such as cube, cuboid, cylinder and cone along with the net pattern. So let us start with some real life examples of solid shape one by one. First object is cube. The examples under it are magic puzzle cube, tray with ice cube, spoon having sugar cube, and dice. Second object is cuboid. In this, the some common of objects of cuboid are matchbox, wooden box, cuboid box, juice box, and microwave. Some more common examples are book, brick, eraser, chocolate bar, and gift box. Third shape is cylinder. Solid shape related to cylinder are pencil shell, oil drums, candle, Coca-Cola cane, and many more. Lastly, the shape of cone are traffic stopper, birthday caps, ice cream cone, tip of the pencil. All of them shows concept of cones. Now the term comes volume. Before starting volume, what actually volume means? So when we talk about volume, it is nothing but amount of space that something contain or fill. So here you are making a view. Different bottles are there. They are filled with some of the liquids, that is drinks. Here solid cylinder is filled with gas. Here water tank is there filled with water. So this is the meaning of something contain or fill. Water tank, etc. You have seen some of the solid seed box, some of the water tanks, and so on. So here we will be having some example. Before that, we will be making a view what volume is. So the space occupied by an object is called volume. In simple term, when we talk about volume, it is nothing but the space occupied by an object. So you can see various objects are having different type of space covering. So you can analyze as per the size, they will be having different volume. Small objects, small volume, bigger objects, bigger volume. So let us look some of the examples. Sweet box, different brands of soft drinks, gas cylinders. Here you can make of gas cylinders which are bigger than this one. So they are having more volume. Here it is having less volume. Then water over, that is water tanks. And lastly, that is example of Kaju Katli box. All these are the examples related to volume. All the shape gives the concept of volume. Now the next heading is length, breadth and height in cuboid. So before starting, what is length, breadth and height term? Here you are able to make a view in the given picture. A solid cuboid box is there. So before starting it, let us look or let us identify some of the faces. So have you seen the front part of the face? So see, box will be having front part of the face as this one. See the boundary, front part. Opposite of front is the back one. So see back one side, second side, third side, fourth side, back one. So front face, back face. Now see the right side face. Right side face is this one, and the left side face opposite of that, that is this one. Similarly, The top face, see top face will be this one, and lastly the bottom one, that is this one. So when we talk about this different length, breadth and height, now let us make a view on the detailed part of it. So length means what? The distance between two side faces of a cuboid is called its length. So see, one of the face is bottom one of the face is the front one. Both are having the side that is common one, and that is considered as length. Always we define length with L. See, this is length L. Next terms comes as, that is breadth. Another word for breadth is width. Breadth and width are same. So the distance between the front face and the back face is called its breadth. So make a view on the front face. See here, front, we are having front face as this one, and the back one, that is here. Back one is this one. So we are seeing front one and the back one is having a gap. This gap is considered as width or breadth. Breadth is always defined by B. So here it is breadth. Lastly, the distance between the top face and the bottom face is called its height. So let us make a view on the top one. So see, the top face is here and the bottom face is here, and both are having a gap. So the gap is defined as h. Height is defined as h. So these are the common terms we are using. For length we are using L, for breadth or width we are using B, and for height we are using, that is h. So this is the height, another height, next height, next height. This is length, this is also length, this is also length, this is also length. This is breadth, the above one is breadth, opposite of that is also breadth, and opposite of this is also breadth. So these are the initials we will be using for length, breadth and height in the case of cuboid. Now let us have a look on cube. Again you are seeing in cube also the term length is there. Just now I told width is same as breadth, so here it is width, and the height. Only some small differences there compared to the cuboid concept. So in this what we will be seeing, we will be having the sides. When we make a view on the figure that is cube, you will be seeing the length. See length. In the previous example we have seen cuboid, it is considered as length, it was considered as breadth, and it is considered as height. So see, in case of cube, since all the shape are squares, all the shapes are squares, so front shape is square, back one is square, right side is square, left one is square, top one is square, bottom one is square. It means in a square all the edges or the sides are of the same that is height or same dimension. All the sides are of the same dimension. So according to the same dimension, here we consider length as S. It means breadth is also become as S and height is also become as S. So this way we will be having the relation S. A cube, which is a special type of cuboid whose length as well as breadth and height are equal. So just now I have related how length, breadth and height are equal. Since all the faces are of the square shape, so in a square all the sides are of equal length. So according to that concept, length is equal to breadth, which is equal to height. So another way it means all the sides of a cube are individual squares. Because of individual squares, all the sides will be of the similar, that is dimension. So this way we will be relating length, breadth and height as S only. Now let us have a look on the properties of cube and cuboid, a slight difference between them. In a cube, you will be finding 8 vertices are there. Vertices means corners. So see, Let us have a view on the corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 vertices are there. It means 8 corners are there. In the same way, opposite of that, that is cuboid. Cuboid is also having 8 vertices. Let us have a look. Let us have a counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 corners or 8 vertices are there. Then 12 edges. Edges means sides. 12 sides are there. So let us count 12 sides. So this is the front face. So 1, 2, 3, 4. In the front part it is 4. Now next one is 5, 6, 7. Next 8, 9. Next 10, 11 and 12. So see, 12 edges are there. Same way cuboid is also having 12 edges. Let us count the top 1, bottom 2, right side 3, left side 4. Now opposite of that 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So this way we are having 12 edges. Third point, all the edges are of equal length. When we talk about cube, all the sides are of the same length. All the sides are of equal length. In a cube, everywhere you will be finding the sides are of the same length. But in opposite cuboid, all the edges are not of equal length. See here, these two sides are bigger, but these two sides are smaller. These two sides are smaller, but these two sides may be different. So this way we are saying that all the sides are not of the same, that is length. Here we are having 6 faces. 6 faces means you will be finding the box cuboid and cube are made up of various faces. So both the faces are same, that is 6 in number. So let us count. This is front face. Opposite of that is back second, right side third, left side fourth, top 5, bottom 6. Here also you can identify with the colors. Let us identify with the colors. See, green color, they are 2, 1, 2. Then blue color, they are 2, that is 4. Then the top and the bottom, they are a purple color, that is 5 and 6. So 6 faces are there. Next one, every face is square in the shape. Front face, top face, bottom face, all are in the square shape. But in this cuboid, you will be finding every face is of rectangular shape. Rectangles are there. Rectangular part will be there. Area of all the faces are equal. When you find the area of first face or the side face or the top or bottom, they will be same. But in this case, area of the opposite faces will be only equal. Means right side and left side will be same. Top and bottom will be same. Back and front will be same. So these are the properties related to cubes and cuboids.